Alright guys, I'm back at another one. This is a time capsule, I think. Garage. Deer. Spiders. Whoa. It's all been left, hasn't it? Some old books over there.
Looks like a big bird enthusiast.
Yeah. Oh, spider webs. Oh, spider. Got a spider on me. Oh, look at that sugar. The tea bags are mouldy. This has only been abandoned for a year. July 2025. Super noodles. Electric's on. Well, there's a red light. Nah, the electric's not on. What? She got up and left. Ugh. It's disgusting. Oh then. Someone's been at the bath. God, cobwebs everywhere. What? This is cool. Yeah, this is gonna be the living room. Oh, it's quite damaged. Bedroom. Yeah, this guy likes birds. Or these person. Great find. It's warm up here, isn't it? One of the main rooms. Bedrooms. Oh. It's mad how this can just be left like this. What's this? What? I'd have that as a gaming room. Oh, loads of photos here. Ah. Whoa. This has got to be a kid's room. Careful in here. The floor doesn't feel good, but it's good. Hmm. Nah, this is the kids' room. You can tell. Huh. Little donkey. It's a weird layout, isn't it? Got to go upstairs to each room, and then you got double the height just to go to the toilet. What's in there? Oh yeah, yeah, quite decent. Yeah, downstairs bathroom was ripped out. To be fair, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Doesn't look like many people have come in here and trashed it. To be fair. It's bloody warm in here though. 29 outside. Don't need light for this bit. Old phone. No idea what those were. Oh my god. Old Nokia phone cases. Oh, I didn't see that. Yeah, as you can see, it's falling apart. Alright, I'm going to end this here. There might be a little bit more, so I'll be back if there is. So, see ya. I'm back. I've made it outside and I can't get to the other part. It's all overgrown too much. There's a garage there. But yeah, this is a great find. I'll leave it there and I'll see you on the next one.